Guys, today's video, let's learn how we can send a voice note in TikTok. So first of all, make sure that the TikTok application that you're using is updated. Head over to your Play Store, then search for TikTok, and make sure that you see open instead of update. If you see update, select update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, launch it, and likewise head over to any messages section. In my case, I am in an inbox with this person. So if you would like to send a voice note, what you have to do is you will see this camera icon, a message box, and various stuff. But you're going to have to select this microphone right here. If I record it right now, it will not be possible as I'm also screen recording and using the audio of my device. You're going to have to long tap onto this microphone and then speak, and then simply drop off this microphone and the voice note will be sent to this person. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.